All right, so we're gonna try this again. All right. Uh, let's see what we're looking at. All right. So we're checking behind this strategy right now. You know what I'm saying? We want to back test this strategy. They said that it works really well with USD pairs. You know what I'm saying? So let's just check this out and see what we got going on. The first thing that we're going to be looking for is the CCI. You know what I'm saying? We're going to be looking for the CCI to either be below support or above resistance. We want it to be below support or above resistance. Um, the second thing that we're going to look for is the entry, you know what I'm saying, breaking support or resistance. Um, then the next thing that we're going to be looking for is crosses on the stochastic oscillator. You know what I'm saying? That's stochastic oscillator. When we get a cross on the stochastic oscillator, we're going to be looking to buy or sell. You know what I'm saying? When the blue crosses up, we're going to be looking for a buy. When the blue crosses below, we're going to be looking for a sell. Plain and simple. Plain and simple. We also have the MACD down here for another confluence. You know what I'm saying? That MACD, usually it'll make the move around the same time that the EMA does. Sometimes it'll be a little bit delayed. You know what I'm saying? But if we do get that MACD EMA cross, then that's definitely also a good signal. You know what I'm saying? That's a very good signal. Let me change this green to blue. Okay. So that's what we're looking for here. All right. Um the first one that we see is right here. You know what I'm saying? Look like that it was gonna cross, look like that it was gonna go into it, but we hadn't had the cross right here above the red EMA yet, and we actually had just got the cross down on the MACD. Moving further into time, we see that the CCI gives us the entry. You know what I'm saying? The next thing that we're going to be looking for is that EMA cross. Uh, you got the EMA cross back here. You know what I'm saying? So when we got the fake out for the CCI, we got the EMA cross right here, and then these candles were valid. Those candles were valid. Another thing to remember is that we are going to be working on 2 minute expiration times. You know what I'm saying? We are going to be working on 2 minute expiration times. So let's go back further in time to right here. Right here was a very clean move. We got the CCI going above support, and then we have the cross of the blue and red EMA on a stochastic oscillator. You know what I'm saying? We didn't get the confirmation on the MACD, but that's cool. 1, 2, 3 up. Um, right here, you know what I'm saying? We see that we look like we was crossing down into resistance, breaking resistance right here. We're breaking this support turn resistance. You know what I'm saying? And when we got the cross on the blue EMAs, you could have took that 1, 2, and it was valid. All right. Let's see how it works on this USD rubbish because I tend to trade that a lot. I'm saying I really do tend to trade that a lot. Another thing to keep in mind is that the stochastic oscillator also has support and resistance on there, so y'all can look for that. Look at that for double confluence. You know what I'm saying? Look at that for double confluence. Um, so right here, we actually like we're about to have an entry. You know what I'm saying? I just don't have that blue EMA cross yet. Uh, I got that cross. Did I get the cross yet? No, I have not gotten the cross yet. So when I get the cross of this blue EMA, I mean of the stochastic EMA, I'll probably take that entry. I'm saying I probably will take that entry, especially since we do look like we're in a bullish trend. I mean a bearish trend. I'm saying if I put on the 5 minute, yeah, we'll probably go back down to this line of support before we push up. We're in a little flag right now, if y'all know what the flags are. So 2 minutes, you know what I'm saying, below that line, that looks like it could be valid. But I'm saying, as you see, we're not getting confirmations. So I'm not gonna take that. I'm not gonna take that. Um let's look right here. You can see that we crossed down into, look like we was crossing down into it, but these crosses right here never really happened. When we finally did cross down in the CCI and we got the cross of the EMAs, you could have took it 1 2, or even late 1 2, or even later 1 2, or even later 1 2. You know what I'm saying? Right now we are at a line of support. You know what I'm saying? And it does look like we're on the line of support on the CCI and on the stochastic. We're actually below support, so it looks like that we might could buy up. I want these to cross. Once they cross, I'll get into the next candle. They crossed, I'm gonna get into this candle and let's see what happens. All right. See, the thing about HFX that I really like is that you could just, you know what I'm saying, once you press that button, it's over with. So it's either gonna happen or it's not. You know what I'm saying? It's either gonna happen or it's not. You just want to be patient and wait on entries. Right now, it look like we're about to get an entry on this GJ. You know what I'm saying? We are at a higher high. So that would also be a double confirmation. You know what I'm saying? You just want to wait on this cross. Wait on this cross. Hopefully this AUD CAD goes good. Like I said though, we are we are we weren't below, you know what I'm saying? We weren't below. So it actually wasn't a good entry to take. But we'll see what happens. I'm saying them EMAs are starting to look even uglier. We had to cross down on that MACD. It was probably an ugly entry. Yeah, it's going even further down now. So yeah, that wasn't a good entry at all. Let's see what else we have. This, no, it's not clean. Another thing that you do want to remember with these entries is that you always want to like get in on the lower candle. You know what I'm saying? You always do want to get in on a lower candle. Yeah, I get that. Let's see. That one looked like it closed positive. I can't see it. Oh yeah, that one closed positive. So today so far we are 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 5. We're 5 and 6 right now, y'all. 5 and 6 for trades. Um, my laptop had went dead when I bought them other two entries. Them jumps were not pretty at all. Probably shouldn't have took those, but that's neither here or there. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if we can get an entry on this. Let's see if we can get an entry on here. It looks like we're building a little bit of consolidation. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what the charts are doing. Live charts. Live charts not really loading up tonight. I don't know what's going on with that, but it's not really loading up. And right now we're just waiting on the entry. Wait on that entry for GU. I mean GJ. So wait on that entry. Wait on that entry. Let's see what is GU doing. GU gave us the move. We missed it. GU gave us that move right there. It crossed below, and when it wicked up right here, it looked like it was gonna come up. It didn't. It broke below and it went down. So we, as you can see, we clearly missed that move. Um, this one right here was a good buy scenario though. This one right here is a good buy scenario. You see right here where it finally did cross. The stochastic finally did cross. You were good to buy it. You know what I'm saying? You were good to buy it. Right now we're too far to support for me to be looking for another sale. So that's how you know you missed it. You know what I'm saying? Just chalk that up to the game. We got a breakout up here. You know what I'm saying? So whenever you get a breakout, you can expect to pull back a little bit. So we might get a little bit of pullback for that GJ. And if we get the crosses on the EMA, you know what I'm saying? Then that's a valid sale. But right now, it's not a clear cross to me. They're like right line. They're right aligned, right aligned. So nah, I'm not gonna take that. Um, USD root. Nah. Boom. Nice crossed up finally. That was crossing down. So no, it's crossed up back here actually. This crossed up too. That was valid. So this one right here, when it crossed up on the CCI, you got to cross up on the stochastic. That was valid. Um, right here, you see how it went down into the CCI, but you didn't get the signal until right here. Saying when you got the signal right here, got in 1, 2. You feel me? It crossed right here, got in at the top of this candle, 1, 2, boom. Um, Now we're looking for a buy on this, but it don't look like it's coming anytime soon. Um, that sale was kind of valid, but I'm actually looking for a couple more confirmations before I take it. Mm, and yeah, after this, I'm probably taking a nap because I gotta wake back up in an hour to trade. So yeah, that part. Mm. So now we're looking for this buy. We're gonna look on a buy on AUD CAD. We're just waiting on the cross to happen on the stochastic. We get the cross on the stochastic. You want to enter in on the next candle, the the biggest pullback that you have on this next candle. You know what I'm saying? Or it might come back down some. You know what I'm saying? Let's just wait on confirmations though. Like wait on confirmations because we already got one fake out move right here. You know what I'm saying? We was at support, looked like we was gonna go up, had to cross to the EMA and it crossed right back down. So yeah, do not let that jump fool you like like that. Like you see how GU gives you clean moves, like boom right here, break into the CCI pivot, 1 2, easy cross up, 1 2, like those are the moves that you want. You know what I'm saying? Like this move that's setting up on this GU right here, this GU buy that's setting up. Like once this starts curving back and gets right to this point, you know what I'm saying? Maybe in about 5 minutes, then we can look for that buy. Like we can look for that buy. A cat. See how AUD cat starting to like curve above. We got that cross right there. See, the first cross happened on stochastic below support. Like this is setting up for that buy too. AUD cat setting up for that buy as well. I like trading gold because it always pays out 90%. Well, as long as I've been trading, it's been paying out this 90%. So yeah, I'm fucking with it. I like it a lot. We definitely just missed a buy entry on gold. Um, the MACD is coming later, so it looks like it might buy up a little bit more, but we're too high at the line of resistance for me to buy that jump right now. We can back test it on gold a couple of tries. Boom right here, EMA cross right here, valid. You know what I'm saying? That was valid. Bow, bow. Was this one valid? No, we never got the full cross down here. You know what I'm saying? We did get it right here though, and you see what happened. That's why you gotta wait on these candles to close. Like when you're getting crosses and stuff like that, always wait on them candles to close, bro. Like that really will mess you up a lot. If you don't wait on the candle to close, like boom, right here, prime example, right? This it looks like it was curving up. I said that we were waiting on a buy for GU. As soon as it got to this zone, like and it starts to look like it's gonna start going up. It's already below support right here and crossed on the stochastic. Like as soon as that candle closed, I should have got in on the lowest point of this candle. You know what I'm saying? When it closed right here, boom, I should have bought in on this candle because this candle immediately skyrocketed and it would have just been good from there. You know what I'm saying? Would have been good from there. Now, you know what I'm saying? Now you got to watch it a little bit because that was an engulfing candle. It engulfed these two candles. So it's going to pull back. You know what I'm saying? It's going to pull back a little bit. Doing a video. See, see how you getting all that pullback. Uh, bad entry. You know what I'm saying? It's a bad entry, but hopefully, like I said, that's why you said that jump for 2 minutes because within the next 2 minutes, it should be above this line. You know what I'm saying? We got in pretty good on this engulfing candle. Most of the time it is gonna go halfway into that engulf though. You know what I'm saying? And most of the time it definitely is. So right here it looks like we're setting up for a buy on AUD CAD. We already got the cross, but I don't know. We got too much momentum on this MACD for me. Like I'm really not feeling that. Yeah, I'm really not feeling that. Let's see how this is playing. Yeah, see. See, we would have got in at the lowest point of that candle. We wouldn't even be tripping right now. Wouldn't even be tripping right now. Like, this is wicked. Come on. Stay up there. Ah, come on. Stay up there. Stay up there. Stay up. Go back up. Go back up. Go back up. Go back up. Oh, oh, what happened there? Oh man, what happened? Oh, it closed at my same level. So that's a good thing for y'all to know. Like when we're trading this, bro, if it goes right to your entry, that's why I put that horizontal line right there. You'll notice like that you'll just get that $3 back. You know what I'm saying? You'll get back the same amount that you put in. And I don't know if y'all noticed this either, because I don't think I spoke on this in this video. I've recorded this a couple of times. But right here, the pairs tell you how much they pay out. 80%, 78%. You know what I'm saying? You can go to cryptos, Bitcoin's paying out 38%, which is why I would never trade it. All of the commodities are always paying out over 90%. Um, then you got stocks, you know what I'm saying? You could do that if you want to. I don't. But you could trade whatever you want to on here, you know what I'm saying? Especially like if you got some good news, like you got good news that you could trade off of, some fundamentals or something like that, do that. You know what I'm saying? Definitely do that. Definitely, for real, for real. Ain't nothing wrong with it at all. Um, let's go back to the candlestick chart. I know we were looking for some entries. I think we was looking for a buy. Damn, see, that's why I'm saying you really gotta pay attention with this HFX, because we just missed a buy. You know what I'm saying? While this GU was playing like BSing around with our entry, we definitely missed our buy on AUD CAD. And if you notice, like if you look down here, you'll see we got the cross up right here, but then we had like a little kiss right here. And when this little kiss happened, it really shot up. You know what I'm saying? When that little kiss happened right here, it shot up from there. Like, and as you can see, that horizontal line that I put is perfect support and resistance. You know what I'm saying? It's perfect resistance turn support. It tested it, it broke it, retested it, and as a new line of support. You know what I'm saying? So if I wanted to trade now, like I would try and get in below this point, because I know that this is support. This is the same support that it's talking about right here. You know what I'm saying? When it broke right here, it broke right here. You know what I'm saying, I would try and buy again at this lower level if I was thinking that it was gonna buy up some more. But I don't have that bias. It looks like we're in a downtrend, so I'm not gonna buy it. You know what I'm saying? I'm just not. Um, what else do we have popping off? Yeah, I'm starting to get a little exhausted. It's already at 1 o'clock, so I'm gonna try and take this little cat nap, y'all. And you know what I'm saying? I appreciate everybody's time and patience working with me and retesting this method. Facts.